So a scatter diagram question. We're told the table shows the distance from the city centre and the monthly rent for two other apartments. So we have to plot this information on the scatter graph, we then have to describe the relationship, and then we have to work out the estimated monthly rent if we're 2.8 kilometres from the city centre. So we'll start with the plot. So the first one's fairly straightforward. We're looking at 2 and 250. So we line up with 2 quite easily, and 250 will be halfway between 200 and 300. So we'll mark across here. 3.1, well, we can see that there's a 1 square for every tenth in kilometres. So we'll be at the first one past the 3, and there's 1 square for every 10 on the monthly rent. So we'll be 1 square before the 200. So 3.1 and 200. Trying to do it on my iPad's quite difficult with a big finger, but it's roughly there. And those are your 2 points. So what type of relationship do we have? Well, we can sort of see that the dots are coming down the page from the left to right. This indicates negative correlation. Negative correlation, I'm writing at the bottom here. Or you could simply say that the further away that you live from the centre, the cheaper the rent. I won't write that down, but you can hear me say that. The further away you live from the centre, the cheaper the rent, or conversely, the closer to the centre, the more expensive the rent. Now, if we lived 2.8 kilometres, so if we were 2.8 kilometres from the city centre, to estimate, you go up to the line and come across. So my estimate then of 2.8 kilometres is that I'm going to be paying £230 per month. Now your line might not be in the same position as my line. My line looks slightly high actually, looking at it again. So there'll be a tolerance there, and they will sort of give marks in a particular range. So we can expect answers sort of in the range of sort of 210 to about 250. Anywhere in there will probably give you the marks. That's a correlation question.